Wait. Hold on a minute. Time out. Sometimes it pays off to not think about everything ahead of time. What? Let me give you an example. I just got a COVID shot, my second dose, right? Here we go. There's proof right there. Boom. All right. And here's the thing. I was getting way ahead of myself, and chances are, if you're watching this video, you do too at times, right? So listen up. Check this out. I was so worried about getting this COVID shot, and this is my second dose, so I was thinking, oh my God, what if I get a headache? What if I get sick? What if I get the chills and body aches? And shut up, right? I'm thinking too far ahead. First things first, get the damn shot. The first things first, get the damn shot. Then what happens? Maybe a headache. You pop some Tylenol. Maybe it doesn't go away. Maybe you lay down. Maybe you go rest, right? The thing is, when you worry about things too far in advance, you stress out because none of those things have even happened yet. So think about the things that are going to happen in your immediate, I can't even talk, future, like first steps first. Think about that. So COVID shot, the same example, right? COVID shot, then you deal with the next thing, then the next thing. Okay, maybe I'm tired. Go rest for a day or two. Maybe I got a headache. Take a Tylenol, go lay down. Same thing, right? Deal with it as it comes. Does not help to be worrying about things all the time. So get out of your head. Worry about the first steps first. This will help you in life. This will help you in business. This will help you in general. Okay, so really get in the habit of doing that, especially for your projects, for your business, especially for your projects. So when you're thinking about a big project, break it down. Don't sit down and think, okay, where can I find 4 to 5 hours of time to knock out this project? You're not going to find it. So just knock out an hour at a time. And what do you know? By Thursday, you wrapped it up. By Friday, you celebrate or start the next thing. All right. So I hope this was helpful. It really helped me to kind of talk things through by realizing not to worry about the future things when you're worried or nervous about doing the things that you're looking to do, if that makes sense. So for me, COVID shot, worried about being sick, worried about all these things, didn't happen. Worry about just getting the shot, then worry about the things after that. So hope this helps. Talk to you guys really soon.